VRA 4-hour chart is bearish. We keep on trending down and we almost hit my next support target. Hello, welcome back to a new update. That's the second update for today. Go check the first update if you missed it. We are gonna start with VRA. If we get rejected, then my next support target is around 4,000 units. But if we will manage to pump, then my first target is around 30 to 15,000 units. ALGO 4-hour chart is bearish. In the last hours we are trying to break up and a big move is coming soon. So we got a small breakout, but we still got a long way to go. That's why I believe we are still more bearish, and if we'll get rejected, then my next target is around 13 cents. But if we'll manage to pump, then my next target is around 30 cents. SAGA 4-hour chart is bearish. In the last days we are just moving sideways and we should retest the descending resistance. We are very close to this area, and if we will get rejected by it, then I believe we can dump hard, and my next support target is around 1.8 to $2. But if we'll manage to pump, then my first target is between 4.5 to $5. WIF 1-day chart is bullish, but in the last days we are trying to break down. As you can see, big move is coming very soon. We are breaking this ascending support, but this can still be a fake out. I still believe we are more bullish. We can retest the lower range area, and if we'll hold it, then it's gonna be very good for WIF. If we'll get rejected, then my next target is around $1.5. But if we'll continue to pump, then my next target is between $8 to $10. JUP 4-hour chart is bullish. In the last hours we broke this resistance line. If we'll hold this area, we can pump hard. But if we will get rejected, then my first target is around 80 cents. And if we'll manage to pump, then my first target is between $1.5 to $1.7. DOGE 1-day chart is bullish. We are back above this support range, and we should get a big move by the end of the month. If we will get a dump, then my first target is between 8 cents to 10 cents. But if we'll continue to pump, then it's gonna start being much more interesting, and my next target is between 25 to 30 cents. SHIB 1-day chart is bullish. In the last days we are breaking out of this pattern and big move is coming soon. We are holding nicely above the moving average, and we got a decent chance to pump. But if we'll get rejected, then my first target is between 1k to 1.5k units, which is around this support range. But if we will continue to pump, then my next target is between 4 to 5k units. ZIL 1-day chart is bullish. We are moving in the same area since the dump, but I believe a big move is coming by the end of the month. Since we dumped 1 month ago, we are just moving sideways, but we are testing some key resistance area, so we should get a reaction. If we'll get rejected from here, then my next support target is around 1.9k units. But if we'll continue to pump, then my next target is between 3.5 to 5k units. MANEKI 4-hour chart is bullish. In the last hours we are getting a correction and we are about to test the moving average. We should try to hold this area, and if we'll get a proper retest, then I believe we can start pumping again. But if we'll get rejected, then my next support target is around 600 units, and if we'll continue to pump, then my first target is between 1.5 to 2k units. Pepe2 for our chart is bearish. We are moving sideways after breaking up, and if we break up from here, I will turn bullish. We are still more bearish on the 4-hour chart, but this can change in the next hours. If we'll get rejected though, my next target is around 25 to 30,000 units, and if we'll continue to pump, then my first target is around 90k units. SAGA 4-hour chart is bearish. In the last days we are just moving sideways, and we should retest the descending resistance. We are very close to this area, and if we will get rejected by it, then I believe we can dump hard, and my next support target is around 1.8 to $2. But if we'll manage to pump, then my first target is between 4.5 to $5. ORDI 1-day chart is bearish. We are trying to break up, and if we'll reclaim this range, I will turn bullish. I gotta change that. If we'll get rejected from here, then my next support target is between 25 to $30. But if we'll manage to pump, then my next target is between 80 to 100k, and that's gonna be it for today. Of course, I'm going to keep updating you with these crypto infos, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.